Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add mods to Friday Night Funkin', especially on mobile. Right? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, just go ahead and open up the game. All right. Now, once it loads, right here on your screen, just go to the bottom left and you have the options. Tap on options. Now, once it loads, as you can see here, we have these settings. We have preferences, input offsets, restore purchases, clear save data, and lastly here we have open data folder. Okay. Before, we do need to download applications or softwares like ZArchiver, but now it is openly available in the game itself. All right. Just tap on open data folder right here. Tap on it. Wait for it. And once it loads, it will open up your phone's directory, okay? As you can see here, you are redirected to Friday Night Funkin' data folder, and here we have the folder mods, all right? So tap on mods, as you can see here, I don't have any items. So just go back. All you have to do is just press this 3 horizontal lines, tap on it, and tap on downloads, okay? Now in here, you're gonna wanna find the zip file, okay? For example, this one is your mod. It is a zip file, okay? This is actually not a mod, but just follow my steps, okay? Tap and hold on it. Now, tap on 3 dots at the top, and you should be able to see an extract button, okay? Just tap on extract and move it to the mods folder, okay? That's basically it. Or if your phone can open it up directly, like for example, this is the mod files, just tap and hold on to it, tap on 3 dots, extract to. Right here, go and find the 3 horizontal lines once more. Select Friday Night Funkin' data folder right here. Tap on it, tap on mods, extract here. And that is it. Once that's done, you can just close the game, reopen it again, and after that, you should be good to go. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.